All right, finally got all the epoxy done. It's dry right now, but however, I put on 3 layers of epoxy, or maybe 2 layers, I think it's 3. 3 layers of epoxy, but now I'm about to get ready to take the rear end off. The plan that's going on back here. I am painting that shock black. It is not going yellow. I know I said before I was gonna do a yellow, but however, I was not planning on painting the underbelly of a dragon, so therefore that will be too much yellow, too concentrated in one spot. The yellow was really just for details, but I went a little too extreme on the yellow thus far. So with that being said, the shock will be black. Or it might, no, I think I might throw it off with body color. I think it's just gonna be black because I have all that forged carbon right around that area, and I don't want a big distraction there because that's not a sexy looking area. Decisions, I could do it. I don't know, I think I'm just gonna paint it. I'm just gonna paint it back, paint it black. That's what I think. But anyway, everything's looking good. The last tear down before putting it back together. All right, so I'm about to get ready to paint these grips and these few parts right here. I did, however, go ahead and took all the panels off the bike. I think you already saw that. Yeah, everything's off. The swing arm, all that's good. I just need to get ready to cut and buff that. Let's see, I'm just going through my head of everything I'm about to do. Anyway, I'm about to throw up the paint booth, paint those parts, because that's gonna stop me from getting everything done here. I'm still on the fence, should I put another layer of clear on this thing? I'm on the fence, I don't know yet. All right, so now, I know, don't say it. I should have done this while it was off, but now that it's on. First, I wanna say, I love this idea that I did last minute and the shock during the spring. That made a totally big difference. Let me go on this side so you can get a full understanding. Anyway, while I was going, I forgot to wet sand my swing arm. I want to make sure that this thing can be, I'm not gonna say it's gonna be perfect, but it's gonna be close, you know? So I need to wet sand this using my new portable sander. Links will be down in the description below. I actually got this off the TikTok shop. I think it's a really good deal for everything you get here. I mean, you got these polishing pads, the smooth one, the perforated one. I don't know how, I guess that's the egg, the foam egg one, the foam flat, the microfiber towel, another microfiber that goes on the actual wheel, and 2 pieces of sandpaper. So, and a bag. So you got a bag to go with it too as well. So I think this is a very good set. So that is what I'm gonna be using here. So link is down in the description below if you want to check it out and grab you one. All right, so I'm about to teach you how to sand. All right, so I'm gonna wet sand this. You're gonna need 1,000 grit. You're gonna need a 1,500 and 2,000. Make sure you get you a foam pad or a little paint stick or something and wrap your wet sandpaper in it and have a bucket of water to dip it in. And man, we're just gonna lightly sand. We're gonna sand until it looks smooth. So I'll show you where I'm at right now. See, let me move the water. See, I got a little more to go. See how, it's hard to show people how to wet sand. But you see how it's getting flat? And when it's completely smooth, I'm gonna show you when it looks completely smooth. All right, you're gonna take your 1,500 grit. We're gonna do the same thing, but not as much. Couple passes. Lastly, you're gonna take your 2,000 grit. So now I'm going to use my cutting compound with the wool pad. You can see a night and day difference. Let me look at that thing. That's glass house now, baby. That's pure glass. Now I got 2 spots I need to address. I'm trying to figure out, I think I'm gonna spray just clear coat around this area to build it up, build a clear coat up in this area, and then I'll feather it out. And the same here. I don't know, I know it got a good clear coat, but for some reason it has a little spot right here, and here. I know there's a little hole, I can feel that one, but this area and right here I'm not really too fond of, but the rest of it looks fantastic. But I know I can fix these 2 areas, so it's not a big deal. And I hadn't even put the polish on. This is only just compound, just cutting compound, no polish at all, and it's looking amazing already.